Wholesale Consumers and Marketing Co-operative Society Limited, Hamren, concluded filing of nomination papers on 17th of August and commenced annual general meet come date of polling on 26 August. Therefore, shareholders were asked to be present on the day of polling to cast their votes. As per Assam Cooperative Societies Election Rules 2019, the cooperative societies across the state are directed to conduct election after every 5 years. Hence, to contest in the election, the candidates filed their nomination at the office of Wholesale Consumers and Marketing Co-operative Society Limited, Hamren, on 17 August in presence of Returning Officer Hukur Singh Terang, Assistant Returning Officer Kamini Boro, Assistant Returning Officer Purnima Teronpi, Assistant Returning Officer Rumi Kropi, and Supervising Officer Gyanmoni Konwar. Out of 377 shareholders of Wholesale Consumers and Marketing Cooperative Society Limited, Hamren, 21 shareholders submitted their nomination paper in presence of the returning officer. The scrutiny of the nomination paper were done at the day of nomination itself, and the verified candidates were given a chance to choose their desired symbol for the day of election. Hukur Singh Terang, ARCS returning officer, informed that 21 candidates would be contesting for 12 seats, and the seats were categorized into unreserved, women and ST seat category. The votes would be polled on 26 August.
Aronet banke Ladakh ini ke asit ke krihini be. Stab nono banke theglong lo kadoi mane kore isi do ko. Lasi rang tum banke election banke dui bet ko. 26 arni lo election bang dui ke.
Therefore, shareholders were asked to be present on the day of polling to cast their votes. Danieling his report from Hamren for Caribbean Long Life.